Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching. In this tutorial we're gonna take a look at some Austrian desserts that taste awesome but are really hard to pronounce. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to get to know some typical desserts that are common in Austria. Let's start with one of the most popular desserts in Austria, the Apfelstrudel or Apfelstrudel. Apfelstrudel and the English word Applestrudel are very similar. The dough is very thin and the filling consists of apples, breadcrumbs and cinnamon. Another important Austrian dessert is called Kaiserschmarrn or Kaiserschmoan. Kaiserschmarrn is a scrambled pancake which is very famous. The one-to-one translation would be something like Emperor's mess. The legend says that the cook should prepare a pancake for the Austrian Emperor, but it went wrong and he had to scramble it. But instead of being embarrassed, the cook called it Kaiserschmarrn and said that he had just invented a new dessert, especially for Kaiser Franz Joseph. The next typical Austrian dessert is called Marlenes Noodle or Marlenknödel. Marlenknödeln are dumplings filled with apricots that are covered with breadcrumbs. The dumplings can be filled with plums or cheese as well. Then the names are Zwetschgenknödel or Topfenknödel. Additionally, Salzburger Nockerl are a famous Austrian dessert. Salzburger Nockerl can be interpreted as a vanilla-flavored soufflé. The dessert is divided into three parts, representing the three hills that surround the town of Salzburg. Furthermore, the so-called Eispalatschinken are a common dessert after the main dish in Austria. Eispalatschinken are pancakes filled with ice cream, and you will find them on most menus in restaurants all across the country. I hope you are a bit more familiar with typically Austrian desserts that are delicious but hard to pronounce. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next Austrian German tutorial.